Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a house rental website using WordPress. So in this video, we are not just going to use WordPress, but we are going to use Wix as well. Okay, so we are going to use two websites for this video. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then we just have to log into our WordPress account. So as you can see right here, this is a sample website that I have created. So we are going to create that one. Okay, so let's open here our WordPress, and then here just have to create a new post, and then type out right here, like for example, choose your property, so something like that. So we're just going to make this video as simple as possible. Okay, so now that we have this text at the very top, the next thing that we can do here is to click on the plus icon, and right here we can add paragraph, buttons, image, media, heading, and text, and more. So here when you click on the plus icon at the top left, we can add here code as well. Okay, so there are so many elements that we can add here. So I'm just going to add here a code. So for example, find your safe space for vacation, so something like that. And then after typing out your code, we can now proceed and then add a new block. And if you would like to bold the text, so just have to click on this pencil icon and then click on the bold button. Okay, so now let us type or choose a block. So the next thing that we should do is to add an image. So here we just have to click on the plus icon or click on this option to the left side. So here just have to select the image, and then after that just click on upload, select image, generate with AI, or insert from URL. So I'm just going to select an image. So when you click on this one, you have this different options. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some image from pixels. So here I'm just going to use a search bar and then type out house rental. Yes, of course, you should have your own image for this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one and then click on select. Then after that one, you'd be able to see here now your image. Okay, so let us check the other website that we have created. The next thing that we should do now is to add here the different or the available houses. Okay, so just click on the plus icon once again, and then here we are going to select the columns. Okay, so this one, and you clicked on the column, so it will depend on how many image that you want to add. So I'm just going to use this 3 columns. And then for the first column, we are going to click on it, select image, and click on upload. So we are going to upload an image from our computer. Then after that, just click on it and click on open, and then let's proceed to the next column. Here, just click on the image once again, click on the upload button, and then select your second image. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then for our last column, just do the same. Just click on it, select your image, and then upload your image from your computer. So for our last image, we're going to use this one. Okay, so as you can see, we already have our house for rent image and then the available houses. Next one is we are going to add the title or the name of our houses. So for this one, we can click on the section right here. So we can maybe add a list for this one, or we can add some details, so it's up to you. And of course, we can also use an online tool, which is a ChatGPT, to create a perfect and attractive titles. Okay, so here let's go to our ChatGPT, and then we just have to ask the ChatGPT to make a maybe description for furniture houses for rent for real estate. So it will going to generate the details. So all you have to do now is to add the different titles, so you can also add the details if you want to. So I'm just going to copy the title one by one and then paste it right here. And for our house number 2, we have this one. Okay, so of course you have to be detailed when you are asking ChatGPT, so you can generate a title that is really connected to the house that you are trying to promote. Okay, so let's copy the house number 3 title, and then let's paste it right here. Okay, so since we already have the title, the next thing that we should do now is to make the title bold. Okay, so let us check our website. So the next thing that we can do now is to add a cover page. So to do that, just go here and then find the cover section. So if you cannot find here the cover, you can use the search bar at the very top, and then you just have to search for cover. Okay, so maybe I'm just going to use the search bar, then type out cover. So you'd be able to see here now the cover option. So just click on it, and here you just have to upload your cover. So for the cover, I think I am going to use this image. Then just click on open after that, and as you can see, we already have now our cover. And then right here, next thing that we should do is to add a button. Okay, so we are going to discuss the purpose of the buttons. So just click on the buttons. Okay, so just paste it right here. So for example, we are going to type out book now. So we're just going to leave this button right here. Okay, so the next thing that we should do, let's go back to our website. Now let us add all of the three images that we have added, including their details. Okay, so to do that, we just have to go here and then select the media and text. And then for our first media, just click on the upload button, and then we are going to select our house number 1. And then just click on open after that, and as you can see, we have here now our house number 1. Then for the content, let's go back to ChatGPT, and then we are going to copy this one. Okay, so just make sure that the price of this rental house is included, the location, so all of the important details should be in the content section beside your house. Okay, so for example, this one, so for our house number 1, I'm just going to copy this details from the website that we have created, and then we are going to add here a button. So I'm going to type out book now. And then for our second house, just add the media and text once again, and then you just have to select your second image. So this is our house number 2. And then right here for the content, I'm just going to paste here the content for the house number 2. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after pasting here the details for your house number 2, let us proceed and add a button. So just go to the button section, and then here just have to type out book now. Okay, and finally for our last image, let's add the media and text once again, and then just click on the upload, then select the image for your house number 3, and then just click on open after that one. And then here for the content, we will then just have to paste here the content for our house number 3. Okay, so I'm just going to use this content and then paste it right there. Okay, and then do not forget to add the book now option or the book now button. Just go to the book now or to the button section. As you can see, for the details, we have the title, we have the features of the house, the amenities, the rent cost, and then the terms. Okay, now let's go back at the very top. So here, when you clicked on the book now, you'd be able to see here the linked icon. So what we're going to do here is we are going to link to our website where they can book that specific house. Okay, so for example, right here, when you click on the book now option, we have here the linked icon. So this is the purpose why we need to use Wix. Okay, so here when you open another tab, just go to Wix. You just have to sign up or log into your account. Then the next thing that we should do here is you just have to click on the create new site option at the top right, and then just click on the use Wix editor or the studio template or the studio blank canvas. So for this one, I'm just going to use Wix editor. And then here, just how to bring your ideas to life with AI. So you can start a chat or you can set up without a chat. So I'm just going to set up without a chat. And then here, what type of website do you want to create? So I'm just going to type it right here, house rental or house rental company. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here the results. So you just have to select your result. Okay, so when you're done selecting the type of website you want to create, just click on continue. And they're now preparing your dashboard, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you just have to tell them a bit about your business, starting with the business name. So after that, just click on continue, and then here you can set your default working hours. Okay, and then here, for example, we have here the different times. Then after that, just click on continue. Then here, you just have to start adding services to your website. And then if you're gonna find here your service, you can create a new service if you want to. So I'm just going to skip this part for now. And here, include yourself and anyone else who will be providing services for your business. So you can add stuff right here. Next, what else do you want to do with your business? Then after that, just click on continue. Now that you're all set, head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your website. So just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then right here, of course, starting off with the payment option. So in order for us to get a booking online, we have to set up our payment method first. So to do that, just click on this setup payments. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here you'd be able to see the available payments options. So it will vary to your business location. So after setting up this one, so you just have to upgrade your plan to a premium plan in order for you to accept payments online. Then after that, just click on the design set option at the top right. And then right here, we can generate a design with AI or customize a template. So what I'm going to do here is to pick a template. And then here, using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out vacation home rental agency. So that's your option number one on how you can build your website. But we can also start with a studio blank canvas. So we are going to create our website from scratch. So here, I'm just going to add an image. So just go to the quick add option. And then here, just have to select the image. Okay, and then I'm just going to change the image or the background. Okay, so after selecting the image, you just have to click on upload media from your computer. We can also use media from Wix. So I'm just going to type it right here, house rental. And then after that, you just have to select the image that you want to use, and then just click on update. Okay, so you just have to stretch this one. Okay, so now that we have our image, what we're going to do now is to add a new section. You can do that as well. Right here, just click on the add elements option at the top, and then here, just go to the booking section. And then here, just click on add to site. So after adding the booking section to your site, you'd be able to see here now your services. So what we're going to do here is to add our services. So just click on this section and we'll be able to see the manage services option. So here, just click on it, and then just have to click on the manage services. Okay, so just click on this one and you'd be directed to this page. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then you'd be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so right here, you will then just have to select the appointment template, or you can also start from scratch if you want to. So here we're just going to start from scratch, and then here we just have to type out the name of this service. So for example, house rental. Okay, so house number one. So this is for house number one, and then just have to select an image right here. So we are going to use that image. So upload the image from your computer. For example, this is our house number one, and then just click on open after that. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once the image is uploaded, you will then just have to click on the add to page option at the bottom right of your screen. And then right here, you can also add a tagline or a description. And then the duration. So I'm just going to type out right here 48 hours or 2 days. Okay, and then next one, if you wanted to add a buffer time, you can add that one as well. So maybe about 10 minutes or 20 minutes. And then here, the price and payment. So you just have to choose how clients can pay for the service. So we have per session. Then next one is we'll then just have to fill out all of these important details. Okay, and then once your service is added, you'll be able to see that right here. And what we are going to do in order for us to link this website to WordPress, we will then just have to preview this one or publish this website first. Okay, so you just have to click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. So for example, let's go back to our WordPress. So assuming that this is our house number one, so just click on the book now option and you'd be able to see here the linked icon. So just click on it. So before we paste there the link, let us manage our menu first here on Wix. So you just have to click on the add item and then here just show more pages. And here we just have to select the page that we want to add. So here we have the book online. So just click on it. So whenever someone visit our Wix account, they'd be able to see here the different menus. Okay, so now let us publish this website. Okay, so after publishing this website, let us now visit our services. Okay, so this is now our homepage. So when you click on the book online, you'll be able to see here all of our services. So what we can do here is to copy the link or the URL of this page and then go back to WordPress. And then here we are going to paste the link on the book now button. Okay, so you just have to do the same to the rest of the buttons that you have added. After that, you just have to click on publish and then we are going to try this one. Okay, so when someone clicked on the book now option here on our WordPress, they'd be redirected to that specific website or to our Wix website where they can, make their booking. So you just have to click on the book now option. And then after that, if you have upgraded your plan, you'll be able to receive booking online using WordPress with the integration of Wix. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.